Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY, back for Card Making Monday with Creative Memories and Monarch Mom DIY. Today we are making this Motivating Moments card kit. This comes with 12 different cards, matching envelopes. Actually, the envelopes this time are like a sage green. They're really pretty. And you get all of the pieces that you need to make 12 different cards. I love that this card set is kind of a purple and green color scheme, and I'm just going to walk you through really quickly how to put these card kits together. Super easy. They always come with some sort of little extra in them. Those stickers I'm just going to tuck back in the box. So all of your embellishments for all of your cards come in a Ziploc bag, and they all have numbers and letters printed on the back. So here what I'm doing is I'm just pulling out everything I need to make cards 1 through 4. I make 4 cards at a time, and then I'm putting all the rest of the embellishments back in a pile. So let's get 4, 3, and 2 out of the way. And we're going to walk through card number 1. I'm going to talk through it, and then I'm going to go fast through the rest of the cards just so you can get an idea of how they're put together. So usually for the base of your card, there is one big piece that's going to cover the entire front of your card. And so that's what I'm going to put on first. I mostly use a tape runner adhesive for my cards. You're going to see here at the end of this card and on some others, I use some foam mounting squares that will give us a little bit more 3D effect. And then if there's some smaller embellishment pieces, I will use a small glue bottle that has a really fine tip. Here are those foam mounting squares just to raise up this last little embellishment piece, give it a little bit of pop and a 3D effect. That is card number 1. Now I'm going to go through cards 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to show you each one at the end. And then after we do those 4 cards, we'll come back and go back to our embellishment pile and pull out what we need for cards 5 through 8. Now that we've done the first 4 cards, we're going to come back and I'm going to pull out all the pieces I need to make cards 5, 6, 7, and 8, and then we will proceed to put those together as well. On this card, you're going to see that small flower there on the left. I am going to use some art glitter glue, it's called. It has a really fine metal tip to get that embellishment onto the front of the card. And now we'll sort the last of our embellishments for cards 9 through 12 and put those together as well. And that is all 12 of our cards. Here again are cards 1 through 4. Again, I love the purple and green and white theme. Here is 5 through 8. I also like that there's a variety of vertical cards and horizontal cards. And here is 9 through 12. And there are some included in here that could go for men or women. Thank you so much for joining me for Card Making Monday with Creative Memories. Again, this is the Motivating Moments card kit. I will put the link for this in the description of this video. Please let me know in the comments what you think of this video, if you enjoy watching these card making tutorials, and we'll see you again real soon. Take care.